Welcome to the third video in the Measure Theoretic Probability series. In this video, I'll be giving some unsolicited advice about how to make use of this video series. Now, or at least what I imagine or intend for the viewer to do with these videos is, first of all, to watch the video. Now, I will try in every one of these videos where there is some corresponding section of the textbook to indicate what section of the textbook it corresponds to. I won't always be going in perfect order, and sometimes these videos won't really have a correlate in the textbook. Sometimes I really want to interject what I think is helpful in understanding this material in ways that aren't in the textbook. So in any case, but when there is something that the video corresponds to in the textbook, you should watch the video, see the description, and go to the corresponding part of the text and read that part of the text. Then, if possible, go do an exercise on some relevant material. There are, some of these, I try to deliberately keep these videos very short. And so I may not have covered enough material in a single video to really be in a position to go do any exercises on just the content of that video or that section of the text. But if there is, right, if there is a corresponding exercise, then you should go do it. And I will be solving some exercises in these videos. Of course, not all of them. But if I do solve an exercise in one of these videos, what I really recommend that you do is don't watch it until you've really given your best effort to solve that exercise on your own. And certainly use the video to possibly check your answer or to see a different way of approaching the problem. But don't try to sort of just use it as a crutch. There is no such thing as passively learning mathematics. So you really have to get in there and do it yourself. Now, of course, at a certain point, you can get stuck. It happens a lot. And if you spent a long time, you keep working at it, but you just can't get unstuck. At a certain point, there are diminishing returns, and you want to just kind of go get some help to get you unstuck. Well, even when that happens, I suggest that you don't watch my solution all the way through. Watch my solution only up to the moment when I make a step that you hadn't thought of on your own. Pause the video right then and there and see if you can't complete the exercise to the end. So that's my recommendation about how to use these videos.